好的，上课，我是小小老师。This class, we're going to learn Chinese tone. I know the tone is hard for a lot of beginners and you just think the tone is so hard. But after this class, I promise you everything will become easier. Okay, the first tone. First tone, you just imagine you are an old person. And this word just not so interesting anymore. And your heart just so peaceful. Everything is flat. There is no up downs, just flat. Let's practice. Ah, 我 一 五 鱼 八 妈 发 托 So, after this tone, you will feel like this word is so peaceful. It's not interesting anymore. So, let's start the second one. And the second tone is more like you are a children. You are full of questions to this word. Like everything for you is, Why? Let's try. 我 一 五 鱼 爬 图 停 啥 Just so many questions. Everything for you is just Go up. Okay? This is the second tone. And the third tone, when you learn this one, you will like you are like a middle-aged person. Life is just hard, but you still need to get up. Life push you down and you go up. Like, they push me down. 我 一 五 鱼 马 傻 Okay, this is the third one. And the fourth tones, you just like a teenager. Like everything is like, it's so hard. Everything for you. I want to change the word. Okay? So, 我 一 五 鱼 是 踏 破 So you want to change the word. You just sound very hard, okay? So the first one, the first tone, you like a very old person. Everything is flat. 我 nothing interesting. And the second tone, you like a children, full of surprise for everything. 我 And the third one, you like a middle-aged work hard guy or woman. So everything is push you down, but you go up. 我 The fourth tone, you like an angry teenager. 我 Not so hard, yeah? It's easy. Practice. If you have some questions, leave me a message. Thank you. 下课. If you like the video, don't forget push the like and subscribe. See you. 下次见.